identity means पहचान, ठीक है. When you are talking about identity, it means you are knowing that you are wearing also the identity card. Identity card means where your all the informations are there, where which is your identity, ठीक है. So what do you mean by additive identity? For example, if I have 5, now think a number in such a way that if you add, because you're talking about additive, which you add to 5, and then whatever the answer will come, 5 should not lose its identity. It means ऐसे किसी नंबर को हम इसमें ऐड भी कर दें और 5 चेंज भी नहीं होना चाहिए. 5 should remain 5 only. What is that number? Can you tell me?
Zero.
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 Only zero. Absolutely. There is only zero, which is a single number. If you add to any digit whatsoever, it is positive or negative or the longer one or the greater one or the smaller one, you have only zero is the number which you add to any particular number. The number which was given in the question will not lose its identity. That is why zero is called additive identity. I'm not talking about inverse. I'm telling additive identity. So that is zero only. So remember, zero is a number to which you add any number, the number will not lose its identity. That is why zero is called additive identity. So if I will ask from you that what will be the identity of, now remember, this equation you should always remember. Whenever you add any number to its negative, the answer will always come zero. Whenever you take any number and you add its negative into it, the answer will always come zero. For example, if you add 5 to minus 5, you will always
It would be 5 minus 5.
Yes, you will always get 0. Okay? So if you are adding 5 with minus 5, you will always get 0. Remember why it is happening? Because whenever a number is added to its additive inverse, this is called additive inverse. No, just now you have spoken so many additive inverse correctly. So remember, any number is added to its additive inverse will always give you 0, or you can call it in other language additive identity. Okay, so any number is added to its additive inverse will always give you 0. Okay, so that is the main property which you have to write it down on your fair copy. Please mention this one in your fair copy, beta. Questions which I gave you on the board, the questions which I gave you on the board are all questions which are not simplified. Okay, the questions are not in the simplified way which is written on the board. So first you make it simplified. How you make it simplified? The first question is very simple, that is x. So x ka additive inverse will give you minus x. This is very simple. But when you talk about minus minus 1, this is not a simple question. Hai na? It is written in simplest way. So first you make it simple. How? This is minus and minus coming together, which will give you plus 1. Okay. So now the question has converted into the simpler way. This is plus 1. And plus 1 ka additive inverse is minus 1. This is finished. Okay. Now moving on to minus minus 5. It is again in a different way. So different way, what will you do? This is minus minus, so it will give you the plus 5. When you will make it simpler. Now this is plus 5. When you will convert it into additive inverse, it will give you here minus 5. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. This is a minus minus a. Again, you will make it simplified. It will give you only positive a. And when you will convert into its additive inverse, it will give you minus a. Okay. And now last but not the least, again, it is not written in the simpler way. First, you will make it simplify. How will you make it? It is minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 will be multiplied together, which will give us plus 6. Because minus minus, it will give you plus, and 2 and 3 will be multiplied, which will give us plus 6. So 2 3s are 6 and minus minus plus. Plus 6 has come. Now you want additive inverse of it. So the answer will be minus 6. Now I would request whose profit, profit, positive or negative? Very good. Okay. Now loss, loss, positive or negative? Very good. It's negative. Now giving, positive or negative? Okay, fine. Now tell me up, positive or negative? Up. You are moving up, positive or negative? Okay. You are moving down. You are moving down, positive or negative? You are moving down, positive or negative? Very good. You are moving right. You are positive or negative? You are moving to the right direction, positive or negative? Very nice. You are moving to the left direction, positive or negative? You are moving to the left direction. You are moving to the left direction, positive or negative? Very good. You are moving above to the sea level, positive or negative? You are moving above to the sea level, positive or negative? Very good. You are moving below to the sea level, below to the sea level, positive or negative? Below to the sea level, positive or negative? Okay. You are moving in east direction, positive or negative? You are moving to the east direction, you are positive or negative? Very good, positive. If you are moving to the west direction, you are positive or negative? If you are moving to the west direction, you are positive or negative? Very nice. If you are depositing some money to the bank, you are positive or you are negative? You are depositing some money to the bank, you are positive or you are negative? Very good, you are positive, because you are depositing something, it is being stored. Okay. You are spending some money, you are just withdrawing some money, withdrawing from the bank. Okay. So it is positive or negative? Right, it's negative, because whatever was stored, you have already taken out that. So it is now negative for it. Very nice. Absolutely correct. All good. All correct. Yes. So as you all have said, many directions, many words which were positive and negative. Now let me tell you how east and west are positive, negative. For example, if you talk about the direction, you always make this kind of directions. Okay, where you take east this one, and west this one, north this one, and south this one. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Yes,
tell me.
ma'am.
So now this is east and west. Now you are knowing, I'm not talking about this one. I'm only talking about east and west first. Okay? If you know, you always draw the number line in this way. You always draw the number line in this way, where this in between you get it always positive, that you always get it zero, that is neutral. If you remember, yesterday also I've explained it to you, that zero always comes in between, that is the neutral number, neither positive nor negative. And you are knowing east comes on the positive side, or it means you can call it right side of zero. And if you remember, I taught you yesterday also that right side means positive sign. Okay. And when you talk about left side, west is coming on the left hand side, that is negative one, and it is coming on left side. So which is coming on left hand side, which is always representing the negative signs. Okay. So left is representing your west one. So if you are representing west side here, that is why you are taking it minus here. Okay. If now you talk about north and south, the same thing goes here. North is showing up, and up means you are going up. And Abhi, just now also you have also mentioned it to me that ma'am, above you are taking always positive. So north will go on positive direction, and south, if you are coming, you will take it in the negative direction. I hope it is clear now. Pragyan, have I answered your query, beta? Yes or no? Okay. Now move on to the question of Aditya, which Aditya has given to me. He like, ma'am, it is east and it is there is someone who, like suppose यहाँ से उसने journey शुरू करी, ठीक है? There is someone who started journey from this point. In question number 4, it was mentioned there is there is the name. I am not remembering the name. What was the name of that person in question number 4?
I'm Rita.
Rita. Okay. So Rita moved in east direction 20 kilometers. Okay. So you are knowing from point A, Rita is moving to east direction. East is always in right hand side. So you're talking about 20 kilometers, which was in positive. That was plus 20 kilometers. Now it was told that when she reached here, like suppose she reached here, okay, for just covering the distance 20 kilometers, she reached here. Now it is said that she came back to the west direction 30 kilometers. And now you are knowing she is moving towards west direction, and west direction representing negative sign. So that is minus 30 kilometers she came. Okay. Now let us see where is she. So now you are knowing the 20 was given earlier, minus 30 is now given. So you are knowing 20 minus 30, which will give us minus 10 kilometers. And you are knowing minus is representing here what? East or west? West is representing, no? So she is 10 kilometer in west direction. Finished. Is it understood or not? Tell me now.
Yes, ma'am.
Remember, the question is whatever the condition is telling, first you have to follow that. Sabse first thing, that monkey is on first step. These are all steps here, and the water level is at 9th step, and the monkey is jumping. What the condition which is given here, that if monkey jumps in first attempt, he jumps 3 steps. Like अगर एक बार monkey jump करता है तो वो 3 step jump करता है. For example, 1, ये आपने लिया 1, ये लिया 2, ये लिया 3. मतलब अगर आपको बोल रहा है कि इकट्ठे एक जंप में वो 3 स्टेप्स कर लेता है, तो आप यहाँ पर 3 करने की बजाय आप डायरेक्ट आपने यहाँ पर ले लिया 3. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट जंप. कीप ऑन राइटिंग द जंप बेटा. हाँ, दिस इज द फर्स्ट जंप. वो फर्स्ट जंप में कहाँ पर आ गया? 4th स्टेप में. लेकिन इसमें एक कंडीशन दी हुई है. व्हाट इज द कंडीशन? व्हेन ही जंप 3 स्टेप्स, वो 2 स्टेप पीछे चला जाता है. I hope Kashish, this was only given now. 2 steps he moved back. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So it
2 steps
yes.
back. So this is
Steps back. Okay, so this is 2 steps back. Now this was second jump. This was second jump. Okay. Now you can see monkey शुरू करने के बाद 4 पे तो गया था, लेकिन वो पहुंच 2 पे गया. Is it fine till here? Students, please tell me reply yes or no, understood or not. अब now monkey is at second step. monkey जो है अभी वो second step में ही है. अब monkey फिर jump करेगा. तो नाउ मंकी ने फिर से जंप किया. मंकी जंप कैसे करता है? एक बार में 3 स्टेप. तो यहाँ पर आ गया 1, 2 एंड 3. ये आ जाएगा इस बार 5th नंबर पे. ठीक है. एंड दिस इज थर्ड जंप. जस्ट अ मिनट बेटा, just a minute. Okay, now move on to the next thing. Now he has again taken the third jump. Okay, and ये पहुंच गया 5th में. लेकिन इसका नेक्स्ट जंप कैसा होता है? ये 2 स्टेप पीछे चला जाता है. तो ये फिर पीछे चला गया 4th जंप में. ठीक है. अब ये बैठा हुआ है 3rd पे. ठीक है. नाउ मंकी सिटिंग ऑन 3rd. अब ये फिर जंप मारेगा और 3rd से जंप मारेगा तो इस बार पहुंच जाएगा 6th पे. एंड दिस इज आवर 5th जंप नाउ. Okay, and after jumping 5th time, again he will be moving to 2 steps back. अब ये फिर पीछे चला गया. एंड जब पीछे गया तो कौन सा स्टेप था? ये 6th जंप पे. 6th जंप पे ये कहाँ पहुंच गया है? 4th वाले पे. Now again he will jump from 4th only, and he will be now on 7th this time. Okay, and जैसे 7th में पहुंचा, now this is again the 7th jump. Okay, then again he will be 2 steps back. आपको बस ये स्टेप्स फॉलो करते चले जाना. नाउ लुक एट हियर, ये फिर पहुंच गया यहाँ पर 5th वाले में. ओके, दिस विल बी नाउ 5th स्टेप पे. अब नाउ ही मंकी इज सिटिंग ऑन 5th वन. तो जब ये 5th पे बैठा है तो फिर से जंप करेगा. तो जब ये जंप करेगा तो यहाँ पर कौन से वाले स्टेप में आ गया बेटा? दिस विल बी नाउ, सॉरी इसको नहीं लिखा था, दिस वन 8th नाउ. एक कोई भी रिपीट हो गया है क्या? वन इज रिपीटेड वंस मोर क्या? बेटा रिमेंबर वन थिंग, डोंट फॉरगेट दैट if you will do this question using number line, the diagram will look like little bit complicated, but remember you will always get the concept. What the concept is? He is moving 3 steps once down की तरफ, और जैसे वो next jump में he is moving 2 steps again up, then again 3 down, then again 2 up, again 3 down, again 3 up, and keep on writing how many jump he is attempting. Okay, don't forget to mention the jump, and आपको jump लिखते जाने हैं. Now see this, by 11th jump he is directly reaching on 9th step, और 9th step में क्या था? Water था. So this is related to the question. Tell me now, understood or not? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes.